Guys, so welcome back. You are joined with a new video of Senul Vlog. So as you know, now I'm with my face cam. So in today's video, we will be doing a tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021, and today we are going to see how to edit a green screen video. We are going to use a background of a Minecraft, that's an image, and also Minecraft guy dancing in a green. Hi guys, so welcome back to new video. So today we are going to see how to edit a green screen video using Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021. So without talking anymore, let's go straight into the video. So I'll put a name. Okay. Okay, so here we go. We got our normal interface. So now I'll add the video clips that I want. So first I'll add the background. Actually this is an image. This background, this is not a video, like this is not an MP4 clip. Actually this is an image. And next I'll add the green screen video, which is a Minecraft guy dancing. Okay, so I have already added them. You can see here the green screen Minecraft guy dancing is already an MP4 clip. You can see it is dancing, and this is just an image. You can see. Okay, now I'll add these I'll add these clips while clicking Control. Choose them and then drag them to the sequence. I'll create a sequence like that. Now you can see these are created, and now I'll zoom in, and you can see the pink color one is the background, I mean the image, and the purple color one is the Minecraft guy dancing, I mean the green screen video. So I'll make the video row bigger, video 1. While clicking Alt, I'll scroll the mouse wheel. Then you can see when I scroll it down, it's being thin. When I scroll it up, it's being bigger, like fat. And also I'll do it to the video 2 because we are using video 2 also. And I'll make this a little small, and this also somewhere around here. Okay. So now I'll make I'll drag the green screen video to video 2. And now you can see this is the length of the green screen video, and this is the length of the background image. I'll extend the background image like this until the green screen video. Now you can see when I play it, but when I'm playing it, but still the video clip is not the video clip is not being like the green screen is not being disappeared. So wait a minute guys. I want to change the resolution. But in here the guy is not dancing. Okay. So can you remember the video clip which I said that you can change the you can change the zoom in option. So I'm going to use it right now. I don't know why my video clips which I'm editing from today is being like it's like it's not set it properly. Let me fix that and come quick. Okay, I fixed it guys. So it was like this. If you also have that error, choose the clip and right click and then click on scale to frame size. Then the video quality will be dropped a little. But if you don't want to be let it be dropped, click on set to frame size, then it will not be dropped and then it will come to the normal size. I didn't do anything from the effect controls tab from the zooming in option. And now let's see how to remove the green screen. From you will be in the media pool here. Go to effects tab, which is here. If you don't have it, go to window and click on effects, then it will appear. And then after you go to effects, there will be some options called presets, geometry presets, audio effects, audio transitions, video effects, video transitions. So I'll expand the folder called video effects, and then there is a folder called there is another folder called keying. Expand the keying folder and then click and then choose the color key, then drag the color key to the green screen video and then just drop it there. And now it's dropped there. Now choose the green screen video, go to effects control tab on the source monitor. If you don't have it, go to window and choose the effect controls text, then it will appear. So now I'll choose the green screen video after I go to the effect controls tab, and now you can see there's a folder expanded called color key, and you click on this blue color square and it will be another color even. So just click on the color square and then choose the color which you have in the background. So I have green, so I'll click green. If you have black, you can choose black like this, or white, you can choose white. I'll choose green. Now I'll click OK. And now you can see something like a pencil here. Click on that pencil icon and then click and then take the pencil, then it will be like your mouse pointer, then drag the mouse and take it to the green screen area, not on the character, take it onto the green screen area and then click once, then it will be dropped out. Now change the color tolerance thing like this, then the green screen will disappear. You can see some green like green parts behind like side of the Minecraft guy. You can change the color tolerance and adjust them. Okay, now I'll change the edge thing option and then I'll also adjust that without the green screen, and the feather somewhere over here. Now I'll click on the program monitor, go to window, click on maximize frame. Now let's try playing it. You can see it is dancing in the background with no issue. So guys, that's how we edit a green screen video using Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021. And now let's see how much time it will take to be exported. And click on the export button and then I'll choose the location. Minecraft, and then I'll click save. Now I'll click on export. Now let's see how much time it will take to be exported. So guys, it took like 45 seconds. So now we'll end this video. Thanks for watching. Let's meet from a new one. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment and share this video, and also